How to delete transaction history on Ria Money Transfer. Go to your browser and search for riamoneytransfer.com. Click on Get the app to install it. Or use the web browser directly by opening the Ria Money Transfer page. Click on Log in and enter your details correctly. Once logged in, you'll see options at the top left: Send money, Find a location, Track a transfer, and Resources. Click on Track a transfer, and it will ask for your PIN or order number. Note that you can track a transfer by using either of the three options. Enter the order number, and it will take you to the transfer page. Click on the transaction you wish to delete, and you'll see options like Transfer in Review, Transfer Submitted and more. Tap on Delete Transfer, and your transaction will be successfully deleted. You can repeat process for other transaction history you want to delete on Ria Money Transfer. Thanks for watching.